Good morning, class. Please take your seats. How is everyone doing today? Wonderful. I am doing great as well. Let's take a quick look around. Alright? It seems like everyone is present today. No one is absent, which is excellent. So let's go ahead and start our lesson. Today, everyone, we are going to learn a very practical and important skill in English. We are going to talk about asking for information. Now, I want you all to imagine a situation. Imagine you are traveling to London and suddenly you realize you are lost. Your phone is dead and you need to find the train station. You have to ask a stranger for help. If you just walk up to a stranger and say, "Where is the train station?" How does that sound? Does it sound polite? Well, not really. It sounds a bit too direct, and sometimes it can even sound rude. When we speak to people we don't know, stranger, we need to be extra polite. So, instead of just asking where is the train station, we can use polite opening phrases. One of the best phrases to use is, "Excuse me, could you tell me?" Listen to the difference. "Excuse me, could you tell me where the train is?" It sounds much softer and much friendlier, right? Okay, let's practice the pronunciation together as a class. I will say it first and everyone repeats after me. Ready? Excuse me. Could you tell me where the train station is? Okay, perfect. You all sounds great. Let's look at one more polite phrase we can use. We can also say, "Do you know?" For example, if you are at a hospital and looking for the pharmacy, don't just say, "Where is the pharmacy?" Instead, say, "Excuse me, do you know where the pharmacy is?" By adding these simple phrases, people will be much happier to help you. Alright, let me just take the time. Wow, time flies. We are almost out of time, so let's bring today's lesson to a close. Before we finish, let's quickly review what we learned. Today, we discussed how to ask for information politely. We learned that using direct question can sound rude when speaking to strangers. So, to be more polite and respectful, we can use indirect phrases like "Could you tell me?" and "Do you know?" Remembering to use this will make a big difference in your daily conversation. Now, for your homework, please take out your notebook. I want you to write a short dialogue. Imagine you are at a busy airport and you need to ask for flight information and direction to your gate. Write a conversation using at least three polite phrases we learned today. Next class, we will practice reading your dialogues out loud. Thank you all for your activities, for participation today. You all work very well and did a great job repeating the parts together. Keep practicing your English. Have a great day. Take care and see you next class. Bye bye.